Hello from me, Lazar Hristov. Welcome to the next lesson in the course on Introduction to Lazarus IDE. We are currently working on my second book, Introduction to Lazarus IDE Part 2, and we have reached Chapter 4 of the free, to the last part of it, Components and Packages for Working with HTML. Let's open the PDF file. Last time we looked at the HTML port package. We saw how to work with it. And now I'll show a few more options, which I've now researched, but only theoretically. I haven't tried them because I have other more urgent tasks and I don't want to at the moment get involved in any more projects that require installing additional packages. So, the first of them is CF4 Delphi, which is a wrapper for the Chromium Embedded Framework, CF, that's what the initials stand for, which allows to use an embedded web browser, based on Chromium in a Lazarus IDE application. Supports working with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, AJAX. Works on Windows 32/64-bit, on Linux. Allows embedding of a separate browser, supports video disadvantages, large library, and requires additional installation and configuration. Here we can look at it here on the site. I've opened here for you to take a quick look. The next one that we'll also look at here is WebView for Delphi. And it allows you to embed Chromium-based web browsers into your Delphi or Lazarus applications using the implementation WebView 2. It uses a lot of the methods of the previous one and has many similarities with it. Here's what it supports, and here are its shortcomings, so I've already shown it. The next one we'll look at is FPCF3 Free Pascal CF3. Another acronym, and one that gives us the ability to use the same CF3 in Lazarus. It's based on Chromium, like the previous ones, fully loads and renders HTML, CSS, images and JavaScript, and is very similar to the previous ones. Here are its capabilities, and its disadvantages. For more information, let's go back to look at about it. Here's a pretty good explanation of exactly what it does and how to use it. So while I'm here, let me show you the next one. What's here? This is actually an article about the three of them. And here for two additional ones I have prepared in this article, more alternatives. Also and finally an interesting article about using specialized adapter libraries. Here, I'll show it as the last one. and here you can look and see different such components. That's all for this lesson. Best regards.